Let's drop into this meditation together. Find a way to be in your body so that it is engaged yet relaxed. Take a few breaths in and out. Really start to sink in. Any sounds you hear in the outside world, let them take you deeper within. Tune into your body. Tune into your vibration. And let go of any armor you're holding up. And create a channel between you and your highest self. A flow of energy. See your highest self in front of you. Directly in front of you. This beautiful, vibrant energy. This being of light. You feel warmth, love. You feel so connected. So at one with this beautiful being. And you start to feel your heart opening. Blossoming like a flower. It feels so good to receive this loving energy. And the more your heart opens, the more you're letting your highest self know you want to come closer. Closer to you. Closer to your life. Closer to your world. Yes, I welcome you. I allow you. I receive you. I love you. And come closer. You feel your higher self come closer, and the bond strengthens. It becomes more and more powerful. You feel this intense love. This intense freedom like you've never felt before. You're allowed to be you. Your highest self. Your most authentic self. You are allowed to be you. You are needed. You are realizing yourself. Wow. You are limitless. You are timeless. You are intelligence. You are love. The feeling just intensifies and intensifies. Fully allow. Fully embrace. This is what our world needs now. Your highest self, imagining solutions that don't yet exist, love-based solutions to create a more equitable and just world. I let go of all that isn't serving me. I allow love. I let go of grief and pain, the past year, the past 20 years. I am my highest self. I am my future self. Releasing barriers. Shedding old skins. I am my highest self. I am going to take my highest self with me back into the world. I am going to live as my highest self.